Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can fix all the problems that you are facing in your PicsArt application. You might be facing app not loading problem, or unfortunately stop, or app not opening, or whatever the problem you are facing. I'll tell you that how you can fix all the problem that you are facing in PicsArt application. So the first thing you have to do is go to your settings and then scroll down and then click on the app management or application manager or apps. So in different mobile you'll get a different option like app management, applications, or installed apps. Whatever, you have to come basically to the application manager, and here you have to find out PicsArt. Okay, we are going to fix PicsArt, so we have to find out PicsArt. Click on the PicsArt, and then here what you have to do is click once to the force stop button, and again click on the force stop, and then go to storage usage, and then click on the clear data, and then clear it, and then go back, and then now go to permission and allow all this permission. And now you have to restart your mobile and then check your application. All your problem will be fixed, all your problem will be solved. This is how you can fix all the problem in your PicsArt. Thanks for watching.